Stolzberg here at Uncle Giuseppe's Marketplace with Vinny.
We're making a fried fish sandwich. We're gonna take this nice, beautiful cod fillet, and it's gonna go right into our breading. We're gonna bread this cod, and next, we're gonna make our beer batter. We got some nice seafood seasoning, right? I'm gonna crack a cold one.
Wow, look at this.
Yeah, this is what you call a beer batter. Lily, tartar sauce.
I want to eat that with a spoon. Does that make me disgusting?
Yeah, that's gross. That is gross. Tartar sauce, ready to go. Put that over there so you don't eat it. We're gonna take our cod.
Oh man, look at that.
Here we go, watch. Back and forth, back and forth. You have to do this, and then we let it go. That's gonna go right here. The most controversial part of this little segment here, there are people out there that, why would you put cheese with fish? Deal with it. This is tested and proven. People like cheese on a fish sandwich. So if you don't, make something else.
Look at this.
A wonderful fried fish sandwich.
So head to our website, newsclub.com. The recipe will be there. I'm just going to take this. I'll see you guys later.
My pleasure. Thanks, Lily. Ugh.